Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share the 5 most valuable tips I wish I knew when I started creating content for YouTube Shorts. I created multiple channels for different niches, but eventually I decided to create these channels to help other creators. The biggest mistake I've made is implementing the insights I've learned about one niche on the other niches. And by the end of this video you will understand what I mean by that. Let's get started. Number 5. Add emojis to the title. A little trick that can make a huge difference. Emojis catch viewers' attention and make your shorts look much more appealing in the search results, in the shorts feed, and most importantly, in the YouTube homepage. Number 4. Analyze your traffic sources. When you start posting your shorts, post them in different times. And then like 3 days later, you can check the insights of the shorts and you can see where your traffic is coming from, which countries, what their time zone is. Knowing this will help you understand on which hours you should post to maximize your engagement. Number 3, bulk edit and schedule shorts. This is one of the best tips if you're treating YouTube as a side hustle or if you're interested in the YouTube automation approach. Let's say your niche is entertainment and you are posting funny videos. Either your own shorts or videos you are taking from another platform such as TikTok, and you just add your additional value or funny twist on them. You should edit in a bulk for a week or for a month, and then use the insights you had from the previous tip and use YouTube scheduling to post this short on the exact hours your audience is on to maximize your engagement. This way you don't have the stress of editing on the same day. Remember to post it in the exact hour. You have YouTube to take care of that. Now, number 2 and number 1 are connected. You have to do number 1 first and then number 2. But the reason number 2 is number 2 and number 1 is number 1 is because of the importance of the tip. Number 1 is far more valuable than number 2. So I'll start with number 1 because you have to do it before you do number 2. But number 1 is always upload your shorts from your mobile device. Trust me, it's the best advice I can give you. The biggest advantage of this, besides being able to post from everywhere, is the ability to control the thumbnail, and this is huge. This is the first picture people will see when they are scrolling through their feed or their homepage and see your short. Being able to control your thumbnail has the biggest influence on your click-through rate on shorts. And after we did tip number 1, we can go to tip number 2, which is edit your short after you're uploading. Edit the tags on your PC because you can only edit tags on PC and tablet, and you can't do it on your phone. You don't have that option. So why not just upload it from my phone and forget about the tag? Why are the tags so important? YouTube tags are a big deal. It's your way to tell YouTube the content and the context of your video. This will allow YouTube to show your video in the relevant search results. So there you have it, the 5 tips I wish I knew when I started creating YouTube Shorts. So please follow these tips to avoid the mistakes I've made when I started creating shorts, and let me know in the comments below if you have any more of your own tips. I would love to learn from you. If you find these tips helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and considering subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.